What's up, tribe? Papa Bear here, doing the show and tell. This time we'll be talking about a notebook. I think it's one of the basic items that I keep everywhere. So in this case, this is my filled one. Typically I take, and it's right in the rain, so I've got a binder for it. I can actually slide this out and use it individually. I like the cover on it because it allows me to put my pencils, pens, which is multiple. It's a pen and pencils as well. Sorry, pens and pencils as well. And my sail needle, so it gives me a nice little pocket area as well as a place to hide stuff underneath it or in the back. When I take the notes in this and I have, done the quick field stuff, then what I do is I then take it and transfer it to something like this. Some of you military guys know what that one is, because then it's more in a formal fashion. Now the other side of that is I also have some like this, little field notes versions, that I actually use for quick things, and I always keep it in my back pocket. So till then, guys, hey, Papa Bear out.